5. Okay, grandma, me I get 10,000. Hold this. Cause grandma, me not get it. Grandma, but yes, grandma, you see me get 10,000, grandma, man, you take one, man, you bring up her right now. Come on, cause we not get involved.
Grandma, now left you mad.
Come, grandma, we not get. Come on, no, come on, no. You not ready, grandma? Hey, grandma, they have one nice place where that's where they sell food. You like curry goat? It's nice, it's a shame. Come on, grandma, stop stress out yourself over pops. Pops are destruction. Grandma, go buy food now. You not hungry? Don't stress yourself over him and lose a meal over him.
I'm a mother, they are fine. I'm the only granny me up there. Grandma, only granny me up top. Listen up. Grandma, don't take a program.
Pops said no left in, you can't bail him.
You can't get rid of me.
Eh?
You can't get rid of me.
You can't bear it.
Stop them talking.
Pops, you say underage? Yeah, you're underage. You treat the pops at what jail? Pops, say underage.
No. That's what I'm making call person on phone from there.
Call person on phone.
She should have bail Pops. Don't get involved. Don't get involved, Pops.
You love man too much. You run come down. You get invited down. Love man.
You talk to you about it, I'm sorry. Let them stop. You take infiltrated boot, you want.
I am a boot. Top boots in a red.
Bad man with the boots, bad man. Hey boy, Pop. Hey. Pop say girl love money, run come down here. Pop say never call him down here. Say run come down here. See next one that too. Why?
Boy, they run come down.
Why they love money is a shame.
Stop. Listen. You don't understand yourself. You stop them starting. Stop.
You not get involved. Last time, hey, people, Lord God, people will not get involved. People, Monday, Lord, Monday which a holiday, Pops have one booking on our west. Pops go down and go fight. You see? Pops come back on yard. Tuesday now when he wake up now. One girl, you got two girls a fight over him. Then this a mad one a come out. Now with that water and knife. Say more wet up the girl them. Grandma, the girl call Grandma, the girlfriend when did it too? Pops a bad up the girlfriend, you know. The girlfriend call him man. Then the man come on the black and spin the black. Me see Pops fly go on I bed saying God feel mash it. Pops go feel mash it. Pops. Grandma, if somebody come for you, you say somebody call somebody and somebody come in a car. Grandma, lick him, Grandma.
Grandma, listen to me, man. Top for him. I see you in the pan. You put your pan. Let me show you.
Yeah, me black you. You're black. Yo. Then no people. Then Pops and the people and Pops say I'm gonna make report because people threatening life. Man circling black. Same black exposed. Pops saying black exposed. So Pops go down to station, Grandma, Pops go down to station go make report. After I say Pops, load the thing where you gonna make report for? Yeah, Pops, no, I never make a report yet. More say look. Say one the paper.
Yes, I'm a mother. I'm a granny if you don't want to hear. Yeah, for people business they don't want to hear.
Yeah man, and grandmother. Pops grandmother these people.
My granny rich, watch
Same
her.
grandmother pretty.
Look here. Let me show you something, watch her. See a gold ring there on my granny and something. I sitting there want to hear grandma if you got talk.
Don't get involved, Grandma.
Grandma, that's nothing alive in there, yeah?
Minute, but Grandma, see them pull up on your picture from
Alive.
from 1990. Oh, they do that?
Alive.
Minute back, let you see it. You see picture? Oh, they pull up it. Minute back. Grandma, I tell you say people, don't get involved, Grandma. See them pull up. Wait there. Grandma, you did have one red shirt on that? See that you don't want a red shirt. You have one red shirt on that time? Eh? You never have no red shirt? Grandma, see something now? It come down. You see art beside it?
Grandma.
You see art them come up. I just say you ain't come up in our art, Grandma. And your face when come up in it. Grandma, don't get involved.
Grandma, we just don't have to lock me up today. I just got.
Where's the other day about that today?
Grandma, me can't manage today. Grandma, you can't talk to him in there. Eh?
Grandma, don't get involved. Are your grandson. But don't get involved, Grandma. So, Grandma, no. As I said, they said Pops out. They said Pops, you get problem, you know. They said him to get problem, Grandma. Pops tuck in your shirt. What, Lord God, you. Pops tuck in your shirt, Pops.
Brother, listen up.
Pops
Grandma.
tuck in your shirt, Grandma. Yo. God know you. Why am I telling you to that back you, Pops? People? See Pops mad man what they say.
How old is you?
One of them.
Yes, sir. Go to keep tomorrow, brother. Yes. A prison here. You don't know if you listen, brother, I'm going to get a court, brother. Man, no make them lock me up. Grandma, listen to me. Nobody a call me now, brother. A court don't ask me.
Pops man, they lock up your youth.
You know make them go to granny now. You left me, grandma?
Grandma, you don't go buy food, Grandma.
No.
Come, Grandma, go talk to people, Grandma. Cause we not get involved. No. Alright, tell them say hi, Grandma.
CBL banner.
Say hi. Tell them say hi, Grandma.
CBL banner. Tell them say T Marie take back the bail bunch. Chat. T Marie take back the bail bunch. You not get no
Show
wood.
them Pops, show them.
CBL banner. I not get no wood. So I take back the bail bunch. See the bail banner chat. I not show them my name still. So T Marie name the terrorist already. He take back the bail bunch. I not give him no wood again. And that happened. See that from 2024. Yeah. Tell me.
Where they are keeping?
Him put in your bag, Grandma.
Grandma.
Now go bring him down. Show me not give me wood again. He come.
I discussing things so far.
Pops, Cam go over man, like we have in signature and something.
Can.
Cam go over man, brother. Go over him.
No.
You hear me? Grandma, yes, Grandma. Right now. You see Pops over him? Pops can make him walk, lean up. Yes, Grandma. Because, Grandma, a serious thing now. She should have come bail her grandson.
Grandma, I feel me time now to go out. My granny me listen to you now, follow you now.
Grandma, you know say T Marina no neck, right? You know say T Marina no neck. T Marina no neck, you know man. Natty, you was a T Marina yet? You man no neck, you. Ain't get problem. You see people that have neck, they ain't get problem. We not get involved. Pops, you soon come back. Don't let the lock up here. We need the content. We have to make the content go out there. Yo, them a lock up Pops. Them a lock up Pops, you know.
Stop doing something else.
Yo, them a lock up Pops over there, sir. Nobody can bail him. Father, you can't bail him. You know Pops YG. He hag man, he youth will love hag. He love pig and instant. YG. Yeah, father. I have a reason. You know what you're talking about. Father, what go on? We're there. Pops, that court, them all lock him up. Pops, them all lock up Pops. Them all lock up Pops. You over here, son, court. Come in. Them all lock him up. We don't get involved because them all lock him up. Yo, you don't know see there now? I miss him now. Yo, Pops, what you say? You not get involved? Hello? Yo, them all lock up Pops.
People are fuck me
Use the van and bail him. Don't get involved. Leave him alone. Never keep him.
You bail him?
Yeah.
Sure. Sure, bail him right now. I'm not sure, brother. I'm not sure.
Stop show me man, pan.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
You use the van bail.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Use it.
You look at man like a dog.
Yeah.
But you hear that? You see say in a use a car, you not bail him.
Yeah, bail him. That's the reason I use my van bail him.
We don't get involved. I'd like to play Pops, because we don't get involved. Pops, we don't get involved.
Woman, same I use the van and bail. When papers there.
No papers are there for car, a thief in car. Lord God, trot.
God, no.
A thief in car, Pops. A thief in car, trot. Yo, wanna come in, my father. Come in. Say Pops, they won't lock him up. Eh? You may know in there. So you going with?
Yeah.
I lock one and lock up. Bad man, how can I icky that on your neck, brother? I wish someone now wear icky. Yo, people now wear icky dog. Take off that off your neck. What go on? Yo, go on and lock up Pops YG. You know what you can do. You can't make it possible. Just go in and go report him.
Oh, Scott.
Pops. They won't lock him up. They won't lock him
Come
up.
on, on the internet, brother.
We don't put her on the internet, bro. Easy enough. She don't do it on the internet. She don't do it on the internet. Pops one liar, they go talk to the woman and see if you can get.
Right, come on, son.
Come on.
Mad. Outside. Yo, you have video, me have video. You have video, me have video. Right now. Yo, we don't get involved. They won't lock up Pops. They lock him up. One liar. Liar, come in. See how you can best so you can make them lock up Pops. Get to my problem, man. Give me the break. This is the only way you can give me the break, chat. Liar police. Yeah, man. Pops. Pops YG. They won't lock him up.
In Collins, man.
How much goat and teeth? They say a goat and pig. A big goat and pig in teeth.
My mind. Look at mine. Scam in case me have a joke case. A scam in case me have.
Oh, so blame them, I blame them.
Suck him, mama.
Alright.
Bad man for me.
Me know, bro, me ask you that. Me not the one.
Let me diss him. Diss him.
Listen.
Boy, I'm them go suck your mama. A scam in case me have you a scammer. See my woman is ready to come bail me. Tell him say I come bail me, babes. Woman I come bail me with the van right now. See Van here. Babes, come on. You know, funny bag a joke thing. Court me come. Woman come down have to come bail me. Woman saying cannot sleep tonight without the hood.
Yeah.
Tell them say you can't sleep
You have to
without.
watch him. You can't sleep tonight without your mother.
Talk to them. See somebody in the comment and say, Ray, me now.
Mute him.
No man, you're good man. Come.
Tap your man.
You're good. Come on.
You know, get involved. Grandma, you know what the curry goat? Oh, Pastor, come on, make go buy curry goat.
Grandma, they don't go.
Grandma, we not, you see, we not make nobody stress with. Pops in a problem, in deal with it, we not get involved.
Kiss me, grandma. Kiss me. Kiss me. See me have chat, my granny there ass. Me not going away. See my granny there, so. You think my granny a idiot?
No, I'm an idiot, no. That's it.
Grandma. Go over here with them and say, oh, this is the type of here.
Hey, books. Me say, whenever we hear one come up there.
Yeah, what? Then I say, I'll be a goal let me granny
No,
away.
whenever we hear weather.
Give them something to talk. Grandma, hold on.
Whenever we hear weather.
Blame them. This alone can't feed you. This alone can't feed you. This, remember when I mention this, I'm a granny. We actually, sure.
What's wrong with that?
Yo. Blame them, say, him a go make man kill my grandma. Eh?
Who?
Blame them. You know him, grandma?
Stop mixing up the gun there, now you don't think it's
Go on, go.
Pops, call him, I call him now.
You never call it Pops.
Pops, them I call you.
Eh?
Pops, what? Ain't get problem, I say? They won't lock up him. Problem.
No, me don't know.
This you can't bail me. You're a good boy.
Just be yourself. You're good. You don't feel
You don't know how to behave yourself.
That's what I need for you.
You don't know how to do it. You can't bail him. You can't bail him.
Can't be alone. Sorry, I
Grandma, we'll create one TikTok account for your grandma.
No.
Call the people them love you.
Listen, Then I go on no TikTok. No follow him.
No, go put grandma on TikTok. Take time work, grandma. Take time work. Watch your head. Watch your step, grandma. Watch your step. TikTok people them want to see you. TikTok people them want to see you, grandma.
Come here, I go tell him about you.
Tell them say you're not involved.
Come here, come here.